Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil Hauzan Sofyan. I am from class 441A 26. I want to show my opinion about Indonesia vs Bahrain match. The match between Indonesia and Bahrain is usually an interesting match, especially if you look at the record of the two team at Asian level. Bahrain is now as a fairly strong team in the West Asia region with players who have solid physicality and a structured tactical style of play. Meanwhile, Indonesia has a game that relies more on speed and creativity with players who often play short ball and fast passes. If Indonesia can take advantage of wing speed and counter-attack sharpens, the opportunity to pressure Bahrain will certainly be greater. However, Bahrain is usually solid in defense and discipline in protecting the playing area, so the Indonesia coach needs a mature strategy to penetrate their defense line. Victory for Indonesia will depend heavily on finishing efficiency, while Bahrain will problematic try to dominate with a more defensive game and try to take advantage of opportunity from set pieces or quick counter attacks. This question is not only about the failure of Jaidzes and his friends scoring the 3 point that were inside, or the poor performance of River Ahmad Al-Kaf followed the match on the field, but more globally, namely the course of the game, which was not pleasant to watch. If they succeed in maintaining their lead, Indonesia will record its first win in its debut in the third round of World Cup qualifying in the Asian zone. I would like to thank the Indonesian national team players after the match against Bahrain in Group C of the World Cup qualification 2026 in the Asian zone at the Bahrain National Stadium, Thursday, 10 October 2024. The match ended in disappointment because the Garuda squad's victory was inside. The Indonesian national team had to be satisfied with just sharing the same score. The Indonesian national team led to 90 minutes of normal time. Muhammad Marun goal in the 15 minutes was answered by Sintayong troops. Truk Ragnar Maun in the 45 minutes of 3 minutes of added time, and Rafael Struk scored a goal in the 74 minutes. The River then gave 6 minutes of additional time until 6 minutes of extra time had passes. Indonesia was still to 1 ahead, but the River never blew the whistle. Disaster for Indonesia occurred in the 99th minute. Bahrain scored a goal back from a corner kick through Muhammad Marun. The Indonesian national team victory, which was inside, just flew by. The result sparked disappointment and resentment from Indonesia football lovers. Not a few called the Indonesian national team victory Robert. In cyberspace, Indonesian netizens also vent their frustration by getting angry that the River Ahmad Al-Kaf from Oman. If Indonesia can appear consistent and disciplined in defense, the chance of getting positive result will be greater for support from fans, and positive momentum will also be important supporting factors of the Garuda team in match like this. Mr. Eric Thohir, please investigate to strongly every time we play with Middle Eastern country we are cited by the river. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil Hauzan Sofyan. I want to present a PowerPoint material the question words. Understanding. What is meant by WH question or question words? WH question are question words in English which are written starting with where words. Question words function. Question words are used by someone to ask for information to which the person speaking must provide a clear answer. In English, this also known as an open question. Examples question words example. A. Where's the bag? The expense answer is the location of the bags. Where's the bag? B. It's in the room next to the reception. It's in the room next to the reception. What does the question words include? In Indonesian language, material may be only now 5W plus 1H. So in English you have to learn 8W plus 1H. Wow, what are the 8W 1H? The answer are what, when, where, who, whom, which, was, why, and how. Number 1. What? Apa? Used to ask about something or an object. What are you doing here? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan di sini? What is this? Apa ini? Number 2. When? Kapan? Used to ask for the times or times. When does the bus from Yogyakarta arrive? Kapan bus dari Yogyakarta datang? Number 3. Where? Di mana? Used to ask about a place. Where do you live? Di manakah kamu tinggal? Where do you go? Kemana kamu pergi? Number 4. Why? Mengapa? This word is used to ask for certain reasons. Why do you have dogs? Mengapa kamu benci anjing? Why are you happy now? Mengapa kamu senang sekarang? Number 5. Who? Siapa? This word is used to ask someone. Who send me a food? Siapa yang mengirimiku makanan? Who is that girl? Siapa perempuan itu? Number 6. Which? Yang mana? This word is used to ask about the person or object in question, being among those people or objects. Which one is better for me? Yang mana yang lebih baik untukku? Which one do you like the most? Yang mana yang paling kamu suka? Number 7. Whom? Dengan siapa? Who is a type of question words for people who have the position as the object or recipient of the action of the subject. Whom are you doing to me? Dengan siapa kamu akan bertemu? Whom did you see in the morning? Siapa yang kamu lihat pada pagi hari? Like. Whose is a question words to ask for possession, aka ownership. Whose are these novels? Milik siapa novel-novel ini? Whose car is that? Mobil siapa itu? Number 9. How? Bagaimana? This question words also applies to asking for price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. How can you explain this problem? Please tell us. Bagaimana kamu menjelaskan masalah ini? Tolong beritahu kami. How was your exam? Bagaimana ujian kamu? How to form the question words? Number 1. The question words with auxiliary verb. The following is the question words formula with auxiliary verb. We have plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have subject plus main verb. Contoh. When are you leaving? Where do they live? What have they did? 2. 2. The question words with modal verbs. Words that include modal verbs include can, could, will, would, should, may, make, must. Here's the formula. We have mean plus modal verbs plus subjects plus main verbs plus. Contoh, who won the games, was one rank, who boxed this. Number 3. Interrogative sentence without auxiliaries or modal verbs. This formula shows that the had itself has replaced the subject position. The formula is we have mean plus main verb plus. Contoh, who won the games, was born ranked, was booked this. Negative the question words. Without you realizing it, the example of each type of question words above are positive, affirmative. Well, of course, the form of interrogative sentence can also be negative. When asking negative question, we can use the auxiliary verb do. When there is no other auxiliary verb or no modal verb. Contoh, positive interrogative sentence without auxiliary. Negative interrogative sentence with the auxiliary verb do. Negative and positive sentence. Sinta does come late, does he. Sinta tidak datang terlambat kan? Positive and negative sentence. Sinta comes late, does she. Sinta datang terlambat kan? Negative and positive sentence. The girl is stingy, is she. Wanita itu tidak pelit kan? Positive and negative sentence. The girl is stingy, is she. Wanita itu pelit kan? Negative and positive sentence. You don't sense, do you? Kamu tidak suka ilmu pengetahuan kan? Positive and negative sentence. You love science, do you? Kamu suka ilmu pengetahuan kan? Final explanation. These question words help clarify the purpose of a question and the specific information desired. That's all my presentation. Fadil Hauzan Sofyan, thank you.